Neimann-Pick disease. Parents of children suffering from Neimann-Pick disease have urged the government of India to notify this disease under the national policy of rare diseases. See, Neimann-Pick disease is a metabolic disorder and it is an inherited one. It gets transferred from the parents to babies. And why I put this is it is not a disease caused by any organism. That is why. Okay. If at all you get a question like Neimann-Pick disease is a vector is caused by virus or something like that, no, it's an autosomal recessive disorder. Autosomal recessive disorder means unless the parents, both the parents have the disease is not will not be get in the baby. Okay, if only the both the parents are positive or are carriers of the diseases, then only the baby will be having the disease. Okay, so that is the autosomal recessive disease. Niemann-Pick disease is a group of rare and inherited metabolic disorders that affect the body's ability to process lipids or fat properly. Okay, the defect happens in the lipid metabolism. This buildup of lipid can lead to wide range of symptoms including liver, spleen enlargement, lung problems, neurological issues, and other complications. Okay, the lipid or the fat we eat are not getting metabolized properly, which will lead to accumulation of this fat. Okay, so fat accumulation, we have heard about fatty liver, etc. Right? So liver enlargement, liver fat getting accumulated. Spleen is another organ which is responsible for destruction of RBCs, aged RBCs, etc. Okay, so spleen enlargement, lung problems, neurological issues, and other complications are occurring. Okay, it's caused by mutations in specific genes related to the body metabolizes fat. Okay, so it is a genetic disorder. It happened because of the mutation of the gene which help in the metabolism of fats. Now, it's called a autosomal recessive disease. Why? Because both the mother and the father must pass on the defective form of the gene for the child to be affected. Both the parents should have the genes. If in the baby, from both the parents, the genes getting inherited, then only the baby will be having the disease. There is currently no cure for Niemann-Pick disease. Okay, so we talked about Niemann-Pick disease. Niemann-Pick disease is a disease of genetic mutation caused due to the mutation in the gene which is responsible for metabolism of fats. Okay, it's an autosomal recessive disease.